Hello and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this question. Parenthesis inside that 16 plus 4 into 3 the whole square divided by 4. 4. If you have already done and solved this question, go and comment your right answer. I will give you the heart. And for those who don't, I will solve from them step by step. As you know, we follow the PEMDAS rule: parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, as we seen in the preschool or school. So first we will solve for this parenthesis part. In this parenthesis part, we can see there is two operation. First one is addition and second is multiplication. So first we will do the multiplication part. We will write 16 plus 4 into 3, which equals to 12, bracket whole square parenthesis divided by 4. So in the next step we will add these two, and 16 plus 12, which equals to 28 whole square divided by 4. So in the next step we can write this 28 square, that means 28 into 28, and which divided by 4, or we can write like 28 into 28 divided by 4. So when we divide 28 into 28 divided by 4, we can directly cut 7 times, and the final answer, for final answer, we have to multiply 7 into 28. So do that in unitary method. 7 times 8, 56. 7 to 2, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. So here 196 is the right answer. And if you want to check out more math book, go in the description and subscribe our channel for more questions like this. Keep watching, keep growing.